Today's video is a quick what I eat in a day video, so if you'd like to see what I eat in a day, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today's video is a quick, short what I eat in a day. For breakfast, I had 2 pieces of Sara Lee Delightful Toast with 2 points worth of avocado. I topped it with 2 fried eggs, and I had 1 piece of bacon for 1 point, and that was a really good breakfast for 5 points. My lunch was a little snacky kind of lunch. I had 4 points worth of Crunchmaster crackers. I had a point's worth of turkey pepperoni and 2 points worth of everything hummus. And that was my lunch today, a little bit light because I'm having a little bit something more for dinner. I don't usually eat pizza for dinner, but this looked so yummy and it tasted yummy. So I had not 1, but 2 pieces, and it was worth the 16 points. It goes to show that on Weight Watchers, you can eat anything as long as you portion control and fit it into your points day. For a snack, I cut up an apple and sprinkled it with a little bit of cinnamon sugar, and it was a good little snack. So that's going to be the end of my what I eat in a day video. It was a quick one, short and sweet. If you do like these kind of short videos, be sure to comment below and let me know. If you like it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.